Morning students. As you all know that in English grammar up to lesson 4 I have completed in the previous classes. So today I am going to begin with the lesson 5 noun gender. In this, first of all, what do you mean by noun gender? Gender is of two types, masculine and feminine. So most of the nouns have either of two genders, masculine and feminine. So what do you mean by masculine? Masculine is related to man and feminine is related to female, woman. Like this, if you take the examples of masculine, it is father, lion, peacock, uncle. And if you take the examples of feminine, it is mother, lioness, peahen and aunt. Okay. So what do you all have to do? You all have to take out your fair copy of English language. In this, you write down the noun gender heading like this. Today's date 12/8/20, noun gender and classwork. It is lesson 5. This is your English language fair copy. You have to do it into the fair copy. So definition is most nouns have either of the two genders, that is masculine and feminine. So what are the examples of masculine gender? It is father, lion, peacock and uncle. Masculine is related to man. Okay, and feminine gender is related to female or woman, like lioness, mother, peahen and aunt. So let's begin with the exercises also. Exercise A. Match the masculine nouns with feminine ones. Your exercise is given like this. Villain, villainous is at there, and buck, doe. Like this, you have to complete it in your fair copy also. Villain, villainous, buck, doe, cock, hen, headmaster, headmistress. These are all the feminine genders of masculine one. Headmaster, headmistress, Ram, Eve, servant, maid, brother-in-law, female is sister-in-law, uncle, female is aunt. Okay. So this is your match the following, which you have to do in the copy, in your fair English language fair copy. Now come to the next exercise. Next exercise is given, write masculine nouns of the feminine ones. Means feminine is given, you have to write down the masculine one, and this is given to you. You have to see it and note it. Write it from here. So head girl, head boy is given, so you write down here head boy. Witch wizard is given, so you can write it like there. Landlady, landlord is given in the box, so you can write down landlord. Vixen is given. Fox, feminine gender is vixen, so it is fox, we can write it here. Next is mare, horse, washerwoman, so washerman is also given in this. And next is princess, masculine, you know it is prince, so you can write prince here. Next, last one is niece, so nephew is given in the box, you can write nephew. So what you all have to do, you all have write first the definition like this, same as I have given in this copy, and after that you complete exercise A and exercise B in your fair copy. Complete it as I have completed and write it into neat and clean handwriting, and spelling should be correct, and no, so write at same, use black pen for this and blue pen for this, so you can complete it nicely and neatly, and no spelling mistake should be done. And what is your homework? Your homework is to learn this definition exercises of this chapter lesson 5. Okay beta, thank you.